Good morning, sir. Today, our group would like to present about this vector and scalar in marine engineering. Alright, let's start from the table of the contents. The table of contents have combined 01, our grid theme, 02, real life application of vector and scalar, 03, information, 04, page of question, 05, page of answer or solution, 06, information of vector and scalar, 07, page for conclusion, and the last one is the 08, the ending of the part. Our table of content have 8 content or 8 pages. Let's start from our grid themes. Alright, let's start from the first pages. That is our grid themes. Alright, before I introduce my friends, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Diana Anak Benjamin. My register number is 20DKA21F10F3. So I have 3 angels or 3 beautiful friends that would like to join or will join us for this presentation. That is Virginia Gloria Anak Jiki, and the second angel is Devra Menti Anak Dennis Walker, and the last angel is Marani Binti Hamri. Alright, that is my 3 friends that will join us for this presentation. So before I go to the next pages, I would like to say or speak about the definition of our grid themes. Alright, let's start it. The amount of effort that the team put into the job to complete it was tremendous. The energy levels and the security which was displayed was exemplary. They definitely has set up higher standards in the organization. Thank you for making the presentation that full with qualities, information, which our lecturer will love it. Alright, let's go for the next pages. Alright, for these second pages, we will discuss about the real life application of vector and scalar. From my research, have concluded that vector can be used in many fields such as navigation of aeroplanes, ship, and satellite. They are also used in gene cloning. They are widely used in mechanics, physics, and computer engineering. They are also used in graphics by creating a smaller and adding them to get unreal object. Alright, I will like to invite my other friend to continue this presentation. Don't sleep, guys. Alright, thank you. That's all from me, and my friend will continue this presentation.
Hello, my name is Virginia Gloria Anajiki. My matrix number is 20DKA21F1065. Marine engineering also has found in roller coaster, crosswind, and force in Turkey velocity. Next, for more information, marine engineering also used to set direction, such as the north-south or east-west. It tells you what direction to take with the compass to get in a straight direction. It is used in navigation in order to pinpoint a location. It is also used to find the distance of the shore from a point in the sea. It is also used to see the horizon.
Thank you, Anna, for giving me my turn. Hi, my name is Marani Binti Hamri. Today I will present about question and answer. Here I have some example of question. Question number 1. A polar vector is one which A. Give the position of an object. B. Tell how much and in which direction an object have changed its position. C. Represent rotational effect. D. Has a starting point of application. Question number 2. What is magnitude of unit vector? A. It has no magnitude. B. 0. C. Constant but not 0. D. Unity. Next, which of the following has 0 magnitude? A. Fixed vector. B. Zero vector. C. Modulo of vector. D. Unit vector. Question number 4. Two forces whose magnitude are in ratio of 3:5 give a resultant of 35 Newton. If the angle of inclination is 30 Celsius, calculate the magnitude of each force. A. 15 Newton and 30 Newton, 35 Newton. B. 15 Newton and 25 Newton. C. 10 Newton and 15 Newton. And D. 20 Newton and 5 Newton. So there are answer question number 1 and question number 4. Question number 1. The answer is D. Has a starting point of application. Explanation. The vector which has a starting point or a point of application is called a polar vector. Velocity may be regarded as a polar vector. Question number 2. The answer is D. Unity. For explanation, the magnitude of a unit vector is unity. It just gives the direction of a vector. A unit vector is a unit or dimension. The answer of question 3 is B. Zero vector. For explanation, a zero or null vector is a vector that has zero magnitude and an arbitrary direction. The velocity vector of a stationary object is a zero vector. The answer question of number 4 is B. 15 Newton and 25 Newton. For explanation of question 4 is P equal 3x and Q equal 5x, R equal 35 Newton, and theta equal 120. R equal square root P2 plus R2 plus 2PQ cos theta. 35 equal 7x or x equal 35 over 7 equal 5. P equal 15 Newton. Q equal 35 Newton.
The next slide is about example. You were asked to find how much force is keeping Phil in his seat on the roller coaster. Phil creates a model of the coaster first hill. He uses the vector value functions to model the car's movement along the curve. To find out how much force is keeping him in his seat and how much is pushing his back into the back of the seat, he needs to break acceleration into its tangent and normal components. He used this information to compute the forces on his body when t equals 5. He weighs 75 kg. First, Phil computes the tangential acceleration. The picture on this slide is shown about the solution of this calculation. Next is continuous of example 1. He evaluates it at t equals 5. He multiplies it by his weight in kilograms to find the force on his back in joules. He uses the tangential acceleration to find the normal acceleration, then multiplies that by his weight to find the normal force. That's the force that keeps him in his seat as the roller coaster goes down the hill. The picture on this slide is shown about the calculation.
For more information of vector and scalar, a vector is a quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction. Vector quantities are important in the study of motion. Some examples of vector quantities include force, velocity, acceleration, and momentum. And for a scalar is a quantity that is fully described by magnitude. Only it is described by just a single number. Some examples of scalars quantities include speed, volume, mass, and time. So, a conclusion for our topic is, vector have a crucial role in our daily life as well as in engineering. In engineering mechanics, vectors are used to express quantities that have both a magnitude and a direction for analysis. Many engineering quantities such as force, displacement, velocities, and acceleration must be represented as a vector.